Correct. This is the Kinematic Equations Lab. For my first setup, I have a Pasco track. At the end here, I have a photo gate that's going to track the final velocity. I'm going to release this car from rest. So the initial velocity is going to be 0. I'm releasing this from the 7 centimeter mark. And the photo gate is at the 97 centimeter mark. So this Pasco track has a total of 120 centimeters, but I'm only going to have it go 90 centimeters, which is 0.9 meters. So the displacement's going to be 0.9 meters. So I'm going to click play on the LabQuest. I'm going to let this car go. And then we're going to go ahead and look at the data here to get our final velocity. So I'm going to click on the little XY table. And if I scroll over, the final velocity is 0.796 meters per second. So that's experiment 1. Experiment 2, pretty similar setup, except this time I'm going to track the initial velocity. So I have my car over here starting. Right now, the photo gate is still at 97 centimeters. And I'm going to stop it at 7. So it's going to travel a total displacement again of 0.9 meters. I'm going to get the initial velocity from the LabQuest, and I'm going to time how long it takes to go that far. So let's go ahead and get this started. I'm going to get this going by clicking on the little button on the car here, which gives an initial force using this little plunger. It's going to let it go. I'm going to get on this side. Play. Okay. So we'll get our initial velocity reading from the LabQuest. So our LabQuest is reading right here, 0.969 meters per second for the initial velocity. The car traveled a total of 0.9 meters again. And then my stopwatch reads 0.75 seconds for the total time of travel. For the last part of the video here, we're going to use a stop rocket. So we're going to time how long it takes to go from takeoff to landing. So I'm going to launch it myself, use my little stopwatch here, and time how long it takes to go from takeoff to coming back down. Probably won't see the whole thing in frame because it goes up pretty high, but I'll show you the stopwatch when I'm done. From takeoff to landing, we got a time of 4.25 seconds.